I hope you are enjoying the episodes as they come. Let's start with Chapter 2, The Growth Mindset Secret, turning challenges into learning opportunities. Let's dive into it and see. The lie that kept Stella stuck. Stella stared at her latest math test result, 42%. Her heart sank. Kavuyo laughed in the shadows. His whispers wrapped around her like a thick fog. See? You tried, but you still failed. Some people just don't have the math brain, and you are one of them. Why bother trying again? Kavuyo. Tears stung her eyes. She had studied, practiced, and still failed. The old hopelessness crept back in. Maybe Kavuyo was right. She was not meant to be good at math. That evening, Stella sat quietly at the dining table staring at her test paper. Her father noticed the familiar slump in her shoulders and sat beside her. When I was your age, I failed my first math test too. You did? Yes, and every failure was just a lesson in disguise. You don't fail unless you stop trying. His words did not magically erase the disappointment. They planted a tiny seed of hope. Maybe trying again was not pointless after all. That afternoon, Propius found Stella sitting alone in the schoolyard, flipping through her crumpled test paper. What's wrong? I tried, but I still failed. I don't think I'll ever get better. Propius nodded, as if he had heard these words before, 1,000 times before. Then, with a small smile, he pulled out an old math test paper covered in red ink and marked 35%. Do you know whose test this was? No? Are you not curious to also find out whose test that was? Let's find out in the next episode. Bye-bye!